Jess from Sallie Tomato, and today I am delighted to share with you how to make our Rita mini pattern. I designed this bag as a stylish grab-and-go wristlet. The Rita wristlet is just big enough for all of your essentials. Wear it on your wrist and instantly tie together any look. The convenient card pockets are perfect for easy access and for keeping your cards safe and secure inside your bag. Rita was designed to feature a Sallie Tomato round metal handle, so it will fit any wrist comfortably, or you can carry it by hand. The trendy design was inspired by one of the most glamorous screen idols of the 1940s, Rita Hayworth, who actually enjoyed sewing. And also my friend Rita, who loves sewing with cork fabric and making bags. In the pattern, I've included instructions for making an optional tassel and also adding an optional metal handmade label. Be sure to purchase the pattern before taking this class. The pattern and your supplies can be purchased from our website or request them at your local quilt shop. Please remember to shop local whenever you can. I'm sure you're eager to make one of these bags of your own, so grab your supplies and let's get started.
First, start by gathering your supplies. You'll need some basic sewing supplies including sulky polyester thread, a rotary cutter, scissors, wonder clips, chalk or a removable pen, or an ink pen, some basting tape, a stiletto is very helpful, a seam ripper, screwdriver, and hot glue or permanent glue. A Teflon foot is also helpful if you have one. For your fabrics, you'll need a piece of main fabric such as cork fabric, faux leather, craft tex, or any other fabric that doesn't fray, since we'll be leaving this entire project raw edge. For hardware, you'll need one round metal handle which is installed with screws. It's optional to add a metal handmade label. We offer both script or sans serif font options. You'll also need a zipper. I'm using Sallie Tomato zippers by the yard, which have a nylon coil with a finish that appears to be metal, but it's not. These zippers are fun to match to your hardware color for a professional look. You'll also need a donut-style zipper pull, or any zipper pull that has an opening to allow you to attach the tassel, such as our circle or nautical zipper pulls. Start by cutting out your pieces according to the pattern. It's helpful to label your pieces as you cut them with a removable pen or chalk on the wrong side. With wrong sides together, fold each piece C zipper tab in half so it measures according to the pattern. Slide one tab over each end of the zipper so the cut ends of the zipper are tucked inside the tabs and clip in place. Each end of the zipper should be pushed tight against the fold of the tab. Then top stitch each tab to the zipper an 1/8 inch from the raw edges. A Teflon foot will help your fabric move smoothly as you sew, but normally you can get away with just using your standard foot, a zipper foot, or narrow foot on your machine. Next, top stitch an 1/8 inch from the long top edge of piece B slip pocket. You'll also top stitch the top edge of each card pocket. A tip for faster top stitching is to not cut your threads, position the next pocket, and keep on sewing. After top stitching each pocket, you can trim your threads close to the edge of your fabric. With right sides up, position each piece D card pocket according to the pattern. Double-sided basting tape will help hold the pockets in place since you cannot pin cork fabric or faux leather. It will leave a permanent hole. Then top stitch an 1/8 inch from the short bottom edge of each pocket, making sure to backstitch. With right sides up, position one piece E over each attached piece D, nesting into the indent of piece D and aligning the sides. At the machine, top stitch an 1/8 inch from the sides of piece D and E and across the bottom of piece E, pivoting at the corners to stitch around each card pocket section all at once. Make sure to leave the top edge of the pockets open, so that way you can insert your cards. With wrong sides together, center the prepared slip pocket on your back piece according to the pattern, holding it in place with some basting tape. Make sure the top of the pockets are towards the edge that the zipper will be attached to. Then top stitch an 1/8 inch from the sides and bottom edge of slip pocket. With wrong sides together, center the long edge of the handle support on your back piece according to the pattern with some basting tape. Top stitch an 1/8 inch from all sides of the handle support. If you want to install a handmade label, mark your front piece according to the pattern, install the hardware according to the manufacturer's instructions, or check out our YouTube tutorial on how to install metal handmade labels. After installing, glue piece G label cover over the hardware with wrong sides together to help protect your fabric. Apply basting tape to one side of the zipper. With right sides up and the zipper pull closed to the right, center the long top edge of your front piece over the lower half of the zipper with the basting tape. The label should be on the left side, and about an 1/8 inch of the zipper tape should be visible between the zipper teeth and the front. Top stitch an 1/8 inch from the raw edge using a zipper foot or a narrow foot. Repeat the same steps to attach your back piece to the opposite edge of the zipper with the top edge of the slip pocket towards the zipper. With wrong sides together, fold the wristlet in half along the zipper, aligning the short sides and long raw edges of the front and back. Use sewing clips to hold the layers together. The more clips the better to prevent your fabric from shifting. Top stitch an 1/8 inch and a 1/4 inch from the raw edges for a professional finish and for added security. The next step is to install a round handle according to the pattern. Watch our step-by-step tutorial on how to install this hardware on our YouTube channel. But in short, you'll position the washer and mark the screw holes. Simply punch or cut the screw holes and screw the hardware in place with the handle against the front and the washer and screws against the back. Lastly, if you are using a zipper pull that will allow you to attach a tassel, watch a step-by-step tutorial on our YouTube channel to learn how to make a tassel and attach it to a donut zipper pull. Then you can wrap and glue the tassel wrap to the top edge to cover the end edge of the tassel for a more professional touch. After your final touches are added, your new stylish bag is complete. We are so excited to see your version of this fast and fun project. If you enjoyed this mini pattern, I invite you to join our monthly mini pattern club for only $5 a month and receive a new mini pattern to your mailbox or inbox every month. These mini patterns are designed for all skill levels, and they are intended to be a quick sew project. Most patterns will include a free video tutorial on YouTube, such as this one. Share photos of your completed project using #SallieTomato and #Rita Wristlet. We'd love to see how you're using your new stylish bag and your lovely fabric choices. And I'll leave you with a heartwarming quote from Rita Hayworth that inspired this pattern. It's important to remember that one of the secrets of real beauty is simplicity. I truly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. There's so much more to come. Have a wonderful day!